This is Tia, who's probably very tired because she's been travelling backwards and forwards every day and just finished the permanent makeup startup course with Katy. So Tia, this morning we had another brow client in. I don't know if you can remind your memory back to this morning. And then this afternoon we had another lady that came in who actually, I think we trained about 10 years ago. Yeah. And she came in and had her treatments done, some brows and liner. So how was your last day been?
Really good.
Has it?
Yeah, really exciting.
How did you find sort of working on different types of people and that as well?
Good, because it gives you like a wide range experience before you go out on your own.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Excellent. And you weren't too sort of like worried about the eye area? I know some people...
I was.
Yeah.
But I've got used to it over the days I've been here.
It just goes to show, doesn't it, that it's practice makes perfect, and you've just got to... the more you do, the more confident you get with it.
Yeah, definitely.
And you're sort of looking forward now to going out and actually starting your own business.
Yeah, finally start it up. Yeah.
Sack the nails off and off we go with the permanent makeup.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Well, we'll look forward to seeing your case studies coming through thick and fast in the near future, I'm sure. Yes. And we'll look forward to catching up with you soon.
Thank you.
Cheers, Tia.